The technology world is a fast-moving freight train, and if you don't stop to look around for a second, you could miss the latest gadgets with mouth-watering and jaw-dropping features, like a shoe that makes you walk faster while expending less energy, or an Android car that moonlights as a janitor. Let's get into it. Imagine a world where cars came alive. No, I'm not talking about Lightning McQueen, but cars that could feel and interact with each other, the surroundings, and their owners. That world is possible with the EDAG CityBot. The CityBot is an autonomous, networked modular car that can be coupled with several utility modules, enabling it to master any transport, mobility, and work situation anywhere, whether in urban or industrial areas. Okay, I might have mislabeled the CityBot by calling it a car, but when you consider that it can actually transport passengers, along with collecting trash on the streets, functioning as a forklift in warehouses, and handling baggage at the airport, you'll let me off the hook for labeling it as such. Everything within the CityBot is run by a self-contained software system to facilitate the intelligent interlinking and coordination of this superbot's diverse tasks and logistic processes in a smart city. It's not just a car. It's a trash-collecting, passenger-carrying, warehouse forklifting, baggage-handling marvel of technology. The Moonwalker will have you busting the famous Michael Jackson move. Only this time, you're moving forward at a remarkable speed. It's the world's fastest shoe, and it's on a mission to improve how we walk. These futuristic shoes are powered by a brushless DC motor, which sends power through the gearbox to the wheel. Each shoe has intuitive control enabled by custom modules that allow both shoes to communicate acceleration and gyro data. So, how is it different from a scooter or roller skate, you ask? Well, for starters, you're still walking, only faster. Unlike scooters or roller skates that require some practice, the Moonwalker is easier to maneuver, quicker to adapt to, and relatively safer. By simply walking faster, you accelerate. To decelerate, you walk slower. A flight of stairs? You simply lift your heels to signal it into lock mode. To reactivate, lift and turn your heels. Walking just got cooler with the Moonwalker. Transform your boring old bike into a cool new electric bike with Scarper. Scarper is a clip-on system that can turn any bike with disc brakes into an electric bike. Unlike other means of conversion that usually involve switching out a wheel, cables, installing batteries, and other fittings, Scarper is a single compact unit that transforms your bike through a specially designed disc brake rotor. When the Scarper is fastened, your bike can travel up to 37 miles with assisted cycling at an average speed of 15 miles per hour, utilizing its integrated battery and motor for braking and acceleration. The motor is a 250-watt unit that churns up to 45 Newton-meters of torque, while its battery has a capacity of 240 watt-hours. On a full charge, which takes about 2 hours, Scarper offers 37 miles in Eco mode and 18 miles in Turbo mode. Upgrade your ride with Scarper and leave your friends in the dust, or should I say eco-friendly vapor trail. The secret bracelet is the stuff of dreams in sci-fi movies, but sadly this technology hasn't gone anywhere since its concept video debuted 9 years ago. While wearables are starting to gain traction, this bracelet is designed to turn your skin into a tablet, giving you the ability to have a touchscreen right on your arm. A Pico projector coupled with a row of 8 proximity sensors directed towards the skin projects a visible screen onto the arm while detecting finger positions, enabling interaction with the interface, akin to a smartphone. And supposedly, it even works in the shower. Simply twist your wrist to activate the wearable and watch your skin transform into a digital display. The device includes a vibration module, accelerator, LED for notifications, as well as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, and a micro USB port. Too bad this gadget never came to light. As cities go green, the ZC electric tricycle zooms in as the eco-friendly ride of choice. Sleek and smart, it's perfect for urban commuters and eco-warriors alike. This trike offers a spacious and stable ride with great ground clearance and a 4-meter turning radius, allowing you to navigate city streets effortlessly. Weighing 343 kilograms, it combines sturdiness with efficiency, reaching speeds up to 42 kilometers an hour and handling 15% inclines. Powered by various battery options and a 60-volt, 1,000-watt motor, it covers 50 to 100 kilometers per charge with an 8-hour recharge time, perfect for overnight charging. Featuring a 5-door, 3-seat setup, hydraulic shock absorbers, disc brakes, and tubeless tires on alloy wheels, it ensures a comfy and safe ride. In short, the ZC electric tricycle is a revolutionary ride for greener urban living. We'll catch you later!